Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic turn signal. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. It is crucial to confirm the exact bulb type for your specific Honda Civic model before you begin, as this varies. Next, locate the turn signal assembly, which is typically found within or adjacent to the headlight unit. Depending on your Civic model, you might need to remove a few retaining clips or screws that secure the headlight housing or a splash guard. For some models, gently pulling back a portion of the wheel well liner provides easier access to the bulb socket. Once you have access, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a bit snug. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Push it in firmly. To complete the replacement, reinsert the bulb socket into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully reattach any clips, screws, or wheel well liners that you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new turn signal to confirm it is functioning correctly before you hit the road. This ensures your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.